some of the wonderful health benefits that cocoa offers us. Namaskaram, I'm Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Manchan Mal. Cocoa contains more phenolic antioxidants than most foods. Flavonoids, including catechin, epicatechin, and procyanidins, predominate in antioxidant activity. Cocoa polyphenols have antioxidant properties which endow them with various positive effects against several pathological disorders, including cardiovascular disease, inflammatory processes, and cancer. These cocoa polyphenols induce coronary vasodilation, increase cellular nitric oxide concentrations to induce vascular relaxation, improve vascular function, and decrease platelet adhesion. Moreover, they decrease levels of LDL cholesterol and simultaneously increase HDL cholesterol. Cocoa has potential to reduce weight gain. However, because cocoa is predominantly consumed as an energy-dense chocolate, likely negative effects of overconsumption of such high calories do exist, including increased risk of weight gain. In other words, using cocoa as unsweetened cocoa powder is the best way to harness its benefits. Hey, have you subscribed to Manchan Mal? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.